There she is. Okay.
Oh, hi everybody.
So, Lakeisha, give us the things that you do as a part of this industry.
I'm a licensed cosmetologist, barber, and an instructor. And I've been a cosmetologist in the field for over 20 years. My specialty is natural styles. I've always been a natural hairstylist. And I also have been an educator. I've been a mathematics teacher for 15 plus years. So I'm at the place in my career where I'm combining my two loves, where I am working more with the educators and the instructor and trying to give them some more tools and tips and tricks in the classroom to help their days go by faster, help the children to learn at a more adequate rate.
Yeah, at the BUOR Afro Hair Summit is going to be teaching our instructors. So instructors are bringing some of their students. We thought we need to give them a little bit of meat as well. She has a program that was already set up. Like she said, this child is a math person to start. So the numbers are not a big deal to her. And then has transitioned over into teaching cosmetology in one of the high schools here in Houston ISD. And then in addition to that, you have the Style Factory. Tell us what the Style Factory is.
Our agency, where we, like any other technology or any other field that you get a trade in, once you get your trade, you can go to a temporary agency and they can help you to find somewhere to work in your field and allow you to start getting that experience. Well, for our industry, we were missing that. So now we have Stylist Factory where you can come and get your rent for rates. And we have different partners with different salons that allow you to have membership and give you a chance to just get out and start working on your own terms at your own pace as your clientele grows. So we are a part-time stylist agent.
Right. So guys, at the Afro Hair Summit, Lakeisha will be again teaching some teaching methods to the instructors who are bringing their students to the show. So there's a little bit of food for everyone in that aspect. Thank you so very much for the gift of your time. Beauty Under One Roof's Afro Hair Summit, September 14th and 15th.
Yeah.
Classes starting at 10, marketplace opening at 1, barber battle starting at 1, makeup competition starting at 2, classes going on the whole time, and all kinds of other demonstrations and things happening. So it's going to be a great show. Invite your friends, tell your friends to tell a friend, and you guys come and help us make this a great event. The platform is ours. If you have